Hello guys, so today we'll be making a fabric rose. The backstory here is that I got this rose design but I wanted something extra, so I couldn't get something that was fabulous enough for me in the color that I wanted. So I got what was available and I had plans to modify it to have that better finesse that I wanted to give the outfit. I wanted to use it for that accentuated extra look. So basically what I did was to create a rose petal from a fabric. You can see the way I cut it, just a square shaped fabric piece, and then I folded it into a diagonal shape and used the needle and thread to pull up gathers around the edges, so that by the time you put the gathers together, it's going to give you this structure right here that look like a petal of an actual flower. So then I proceeded to join the petals together. Depending on how big or how voluminous you want the flower to be would determine the size of the petals you're going to create. That means you're going to have a larger you know piece of fabric, the square shape, before you then go ahead to fold into the diagonal, and then before you go ahead to put the gathers from it. So, and as much as you want to be, can create as many petals as you want depending on how big you want it to look like. So after which, then you now proceed to attach the ready-made floral applique or design that you've gotten on the base that you've created, and voila, this is the final look. What do you think? Does it give you the extra look? Do you prefer the before or the after? And this was when I attached it on the actual outfit. What do you think of this look? Is this something you're trying? Let me know in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. This is a DIY you could also practice, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.